72% of product images on Shopify stores are missing alt text. That means Google Images can't rank them, and screen readers can't describe them. Writing alt text by hand takes hours for a real catalog, so on most stores, it simply never gets done. Meet AltGenie, AI that writes SEO-optimized alt text for your entire catalog in one click. Run a bulk job, and AltGenie analyzes every image and writes descriptive, keyword-aware alt text for each one automatically. Its SEO health score grades every product and shows exactly what's holding your store back: missing alt text, broken meta titles, thin descriptions. Then hit Fix All, and AltGenie repairs all of it across your store in a single run. AltGenie is $4.99 a month with a free trial. Search AltGenie on the Shopify App Store and make every image work for you.